Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create your account on the TOUCHTUNES app. Now if you want to create your account on the TOUCHTUNES app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to create your account and start listening to music on the TOUCHTUNES, you just need to make sure that you have already installed the TOUCHTUNES app on your device. So if you have not installed the TOUCHTUNES app, make sure that you have already installed it. So after that you just need to open the TOUCHTUNES app, and here you will see the various options, or you may simply skip this option for now and click on the option of next. And you just need to allow TOUCHTUNES to use your location, so make sure to enable it. And from here you just need to select the country where you are from. So if you are from United States or Canada, you just need to select it and click on the option of continue. And from here you just need to click on the option of profile and click on the option of start playing. So from here you just need to sign in with your email if you have already created your account, but if you want to create it, you just need to click on the option of sign up with email, or you may also continue with your Facebook, Google or Apple. So I'll simply click on the option of Apple and I'll simply verify myself. So you just need to verify your Face ID for your Apple ID and you'll be able to create the account. So that's it. That's how you can create your account and start listening to music on your TOUCHTUNES app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.